Hi, my name is Jason White from Konica Minolta. I am a production print colour specialist. Today what I'm going to talk to you about is the Konica Minolta bizhub PRO C65hc, which is designed for the graphics marketplace, primarily for people who want to produce vivid colour. The 65hc does have a CMYK colour gamut, but coupled with the profiles on the RIP and the toner technology, which is a high-chroma technology, it allows us to have more of an sRGB colour gamut, which gives us a much more vivid colour, which is ideal for applications such as packaging and point of sale. And as you can see here, from traditional digital print, you wouldn't get such vivid greens, reds or pinks. The 65hc has 5 input trays. The total capacity of input is 7,500 sheets, and up to SRA3 or 330 by 487. The main trays, as I can show you, are high capacity trays with air assist in the trays, dehumidifiers as standard, and we'll go from custom sizes from A5 up to 330 by 487. One of the main things you will notice from the engine is that it's steel build, so it is designed for a production environment. The 65hc's toners are situated here, and these can be actually changed while the machine is running, so you should never run out of toner. The engine itself is very easy to use, very compact, very easy for operators to use, and if there are problems. The main features, as you can see, is a very short paper path, which allows us then to give a much tighter registration, which allows us 0.5 mil each side to 1 mil tolerance back to front registration. On our fuser technology, because we use an oilless toner, basically what we're doing, we're fusing at a much lower temperature. So it allows them to have not as much curl in the paper to finish much better offline. Another integral part of the 65hc is the decurling and drying unit. This decurling unit allows you to switch it alternately on or off depending on the type of stock you're printing on. And also you have in here, you have 5 high-powered fans. Because we're using a very slight wax-based toner, we want to make sure that the output is dry before it hits any finishing equipment, so that we don't get any streamlines onto the stock itself. On the 65hc, we have some very enhanced finishing features. First one we're showing here is the 5,000 sheet trolley stacker, which allows us to print continuously 5,000 sheets of paper. This is the trolley. You can also have an additional trolley, so you can actually wheel that off to a finishing station and put it into a continuous printing. Another one of our finishing options is our 50 sheet booklet maker. This will print up to 200 sheets, give you a 50 sheet booklet maker, and allows you to centre staple and also do a 4-edge trim. Other finishing options that are available on the 65hc are a 300 sheet perfect binder, a 3,000 sheet stacker stapler, and also a post inserter and fold unit.